Eraser by Anna Kang, illustrated by Christopher Weyant. Rub, rub, rub. To Kelsey Skay, editor extraordinaire and friend, AK and CW. I was just, testing you.
Excellent!
Thanks. I guess I'm just naturally good at math.
You totally rocked that math test.
Pencil's so sharp.
I wish I was as cool as Cobalt.
Everyone thinks Pencil and her friends are the smart and creative ones. It's not fair. And look at tape and glue. They can get anyone to stick together, even pipe cleaners and buttons. Kumbaya, kumbaya. We all love paper. Whenever I see you, I feel like I can do anything. And scissors, well, she's just kind of scary. I don't run ever. What do I bring to the table? Nothing. I just take things away.
You make everyone look good. You do an excellent job.
I'm tired of being just the cleanup crew. Don't you ever feel like you're more?
More what? Lunchtime is over. Everyone gather round for a science project meeting.
I hear it's worth half our grade.
Not you, Eraser. This is a creative meeting.
That night, rub, 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 this is going to knock their caps off. Ta-da! It's for the science project. What do you think?
It's wonderful. Very modern.
Chew! No, I'm sorry, Eraser. I'm all clogged up.
Enough with the fun and games. We have real work to do.
Later that day, looking good, everyone. Let's all take 5. Eraser, what are you doing? Helping? Eraser has one job, to clean up after me. It's not my fault she can't actually make anything.
Except a mess.
I'm tired of being Pencil's pooper scooper.
Please don't go.
We need you.
Are you sure, Eraser?
Fire away! Forward my mail. Swoosh! Whoomp!
Ow!
Sorry, dude.
Eraser! Hey, guys, look! It's Eraser! I'm a huge fan.
I love your work.
You do?
Well, sure. We're all first drafts. Without us and you, there'd be nothing to hang on the fridge door.
I create second chances.
Mistakes make us great.
Meanwhile, back on the desk.
Oh no! I forgot to check my math homework. Tisk, tisk. Ah!
This is not good.
Yee-haw! Eraser is back,
and I brought some friends with me.
Hooray! We missed you.
Okay, thank goodness. They're going through my entire sheaf like there's no tomorrow. It's been totally bonkers.
Eraser, I'm sorry. I think I need your help. Will you please help me?
You bet. Let's get to work. Take your time. You're doing great. We can always fix it. The next day.
Woohoo! Hooray! Yay! Yippee!
Kumbaya! Kumbaya!
Oh, we had the straightest lines for sure. You make a very fine point.
Sure, I like correcting, but what I really want to do is paint.
Thanks, partner. Anytime. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to see more videos like this at The Booklight.